Introducing the stunning 2026 Cupra Terramar 1.5 ETSI, a powerhouse on wheels. With 150 horsepower and a 1.5 litre engine, this automatic estate or Jeep is not just a car, it's an experience. The purple exterior turns heads, while the luxurious interior boasts features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the Cupra Terramar.